Today we take a look at our arrival list. To get to our arrival list by clicking on the icon for our Dayview calendar in the menu. On the tab Arrival, all our arrivals for the selected period are displayed right here, and each path has its entry. The column match code reg number shows us the guest name, the match code, and the registration number. By clicking on the guest's name, we can call up his or her reservation. The column path shows us the respective path of the reservation. The column room shows us the room booking of the guest. When more rooms have been booked, a plus sign appears behind the room number. By clicking on this field, the complete list of rooms can be displayed. If beds have been booked, we can further see the bed number next to the room number. With the click in the head of the column room, one room per row can be seen for reservations with multiple rooms. Subsequent guests have no background color. The background color of rooms presents us the cleaning status, which is set on the tab Housekeeping of the Dayview calendar. Green signifies the room is already cleaned and checked and is ready for the guest. Orange means the room has been cleaned but not checked and released yet. A room with a problem which needs maintenance work is presented in yellow. Red is the status of an uncleaned room. And white appears when more than one room are booked and those have different cleaning statuses. Yellow can also appear when the guest has checked out again after the check-in and the room has been touched. In the column Check-in, we can mark whether a guest has already checked in or is waiting because the room is not ready yet. A red question mark appears if the guest has not arrived in time, for example after 6 p.m., which is our check-in time set in the house database, and the later arrival has not been entered in the reservation. A purple tick means the guest has checked in via the web check-in. The green tick symbolizes a guest who has already checked in. The clock represents the waiting status. A blue cross signifies that the guest has already checked out again. When setting the check-in mark, the time of it is automatically recorded in the fields of arrival. The column bill shows us the billing status of the reservation. Red means the invoice is not billed yet. Green signifies all invoices for the reservation are billed. The column Arrival shows us the arrival date and the arrival time if predefined or set per check-in. Next to it, the column Departure shows us the departure date and the departure time if predefined. The column Nights presents the total number of nights. The following column Guest shows us the number of guests of this path of the reservation. The column Meals shows us the booked meal plan of the reservation. The memo field is the information field per path for special messages for the reception. We can edit it right here. The column Guarantee presents us the name of the use guarantee and the CXL condition if set up. In the column Key, we can see if keys have been generated for the reservation. This works only when keycards are issued with the ASSD. The column Source shows us the source code of the reservation. This column can be set up individually. We can also use it for different purposes. The column Token shows us with the X if the reservation contains a token, which are encrypted credit card details, which we can use to pay the invoice. The column Balance can be set up either to show us the total value of the reservation or the amount which is still to be paid, meaning the total amount minus a prepayment. In the column Web Reservation Number, we can search for the match code 2, which usually is used for the booking numbers of OTAs or tour operators.